8-7 po ang ating score ngayon. Lamang ang San Sebastian. We have the latest from the sidelines from Rina Villamor.
Yes, as for Coach Brian, the Lady Knights that we are seeing right now is a very young team considering that they have 6 new players coming into this league. Sabi nga ni Coach Brian kanina, this is the rebuilding phase for the Letran team. Ang sabi niya, dapat daw nilang i-maximize yung playing time nila inside, and also he stressed for the word help inside the teammates for them to be able to execute a better defense. Meanwhile, you guys also talked about Jeneline Belen earlier. I just found out from Coach Clint that she just had a surgery last week on her unhappy triad injury on the left knee, which is a combination of ACL, PCL, and MCL injury. So she won't be seeing action for the rest of the conference. Back to you guys.
Wow, that's sad news.
ACL,
MCL,
PCL.
Wow. That is sad news. Ano yun mga career ending yung mga ganun Pero sana hindi mangyari yung kay Jeneline Belen, or Bamsi as we call her. Verbano will miss. We are tied at 9. Oh, it's all the more room to bloom naman para kay Trish Crisostomo.
Parang no choice but to mature early.
Oo. May Crisostomo. Trish. Jolina. Dagapay Espelita. Talagang nilabanan niya si Verbano Jolina. Turned back once again there by Mondejar. Combination ngayon, Verbano, Espelita, Mondejar, Sangmuang. Habang rally. Malyari. Opya. At hindi pa rin net violation yun. Una natawid yung bola bago sa tumama sa net. So Jolina Labiano scoring once again. Doon nahihilo yung mga ibang fans natin Kailan ba nagiging net violation? Galaw ng galaw yung net.
Actually, minsan judgment call din yun
Mondihar. Lapit sa net. Crisostomo. Verbano. Hello, Boli. Verbano. Across for Jeng. And that one goes long.
Well, again, she doesn't get the set that she wanted.
Dikit na dikit po itong ating second set. We are tied at 10.
Which is a good sign para tong sa Letran.
And the Casas the official ball of the Shake East B-League. Jamaica Villas to put it in play ngayon para sa the ladies from Intramuros. Boli. Ako, sa net na naman. Yun, maganda-ganda na yung set na yun, And Boli just could not get it done. Lamang na naman dito ang Letran.
Well, sometimes, si Jeng Boli, she tries to do too much That's when she commits the errors.
Here's Labiano. And simple lang, Hindi niya masyadong nilagyan ng lakas. Nakakuha pa rin siya ng puntos.
Kasi alam mo to si Boli, kailangan niya ma-realize na rin again, that the league for that matter has respect for her power. So she doesn't have to go all power. She can always variate her shot.
Melissa Koo. Looking to put it in spots na walang tao. Naalala mo nga dito kay Melissa Koo, actually, si Agueta Baquero, the way she plays. Hinahanap niya yung mga areas na wala tao. Doon niya ilalagay yung bola. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shake East B-League. Now Melissa Koo serving for Letran. Verbano. Crisostomo. Malyari. Napalakas. Pero natapik daw yung bola.
Check ball.
Galing kay Ogana. So Malyari now to serve. Here's Mondejar. Sangmuang na itawid. Trish. Jang. Lacerna. Espelita. Free ball. Labiano. Crisostomo. Running attack ni Sue. Masyado malapit sa net. One more time around. Crisostomo for Boli, this time off the net.
Wow.
Kept alive there by Koo. Crisostomo. Impending doom.
Ang hirap, if you're Letran, ang hirap i-block yung combination na yan. Roses and Boli.
Right. Tingnan naman yan. Alam mo, running? Hindi. Down the middle. Impending doom.
But you know what Boli did in that play? Inunahan na niya kasi ang baba ng set sa kanya, inunahan na niya. So she got better timing.
Sangmuang does not matter kung maganda yung set o hindi. Labanan na ng dalawang tayo imports ito. Sangmuang tangit up at 13.
Isang may hawig kay Sandra Bullock, no?
Naks.
Hindi, parang I don't know if it's
Bakit? Kasi magkasing edad sila.
you're mean.
Hindi naman. I think Sandra Bullock is older actually. Crisostomo. Roses. Oh, great dig by Lacerna. Sangwang!
Wow!
What a play by Letran. Nagsimula kay Lacerna. Finished by Sangwang.
Turnaround
Sige mo yung
spike.
dig na yan. Ang lupit ng dig. And Mondejar falling down. That's gotta be the play of the day so far.
That's teamwork for you.
Right. Crisostomo. Oh, Boli. Ay. Tried to pull a Sandra de los Santos that time. Hindi umandar. 15-13 na ba? Letran giving San Sebastian a hard time after San Sebastian won the first set handily. Mondejar.
But you can see actually yung difference ng laro ng Letran ngayon.
Right.
No, you can see that they're gaining